Hello, can you hear me properly now? Hello. All right, guys. I know some. Okay, some people said they could not hear me, so I'm gonna restart this. I don't know what was wrong with the audio, but it should be okay now. Can you hear me now? Okay, that's good then. So as I was saying that on a longer time frame, GPSD right now is well below this 50 MA resistance level. So as long as price is below this resistance level, we're going to be looking for sales and sales only, because we know that historically as well, whenever price this GP, whenever it's below this 50 MA, it does drop quite strongly. So let's pick up, let's see, 21st September. Price dropped quite strongly. Then again on 15th of October, price dropped quite strongly. And today, price did try to break above this resistance level. So I've drawn a small resistance at 1.2973. Price is not able to break above this level. It tried quite a few times, but it failed every time. So as long as price is below the 50 MA, we're going to be looking for sales. Let's go to short time frame. Short time frame, again, similar scenario, guys. Price is well below this 50 MA, and we do have like a ranging market right now. So a ranging market basically means when price may be sideways, like as you can see, and a trending market is basically something like this. A price moving upwards or downwards. So currently price is ranging quite strongly, guys, so we can expect price to drop all the way back to lows of 1.2912. And if over here we might find some kind of a support level, because we can see historically as well, whenever price reaches this level, let's go back in time, on 8th of October, price testing support level 1.29, a massive rise, about for went all the way from 1.2908 to 1.3044, for about 130 pip rise. Again, on 14th of October, similar kind of scenario. Then again of 18th October, guys, similar kind of scenario. So we can expect, when the price reaches this 1.29, we could set some buy limits around this level. Would be a good entry. So we can have some buy limits. So as soon as the price reaches this level, we can enter the trade straight away as a buy and expect it to rise all the way as high as 1.2970. So that's our analysis for GPSD, guys. Overall, looking like a downtrend. But on a longer time frame, we can expect GP to rise again and test the highs of 1.3064 by the end of could be end of this month, or could be at the start of next month, guys. So let's quickly see what's happening with DXY. So next thing we're going to look at DXY, because GPSD and DXY is quite closely correlated. So as long as DXY is testing a very strong support level of 93.06. So as long as price is at this level, we could see DXY could make a U-turn and rise as high, could take a U-turn and rise all the way as high as 93.376. But let's say if DXY does break this level, we're going to go to a bit more longer time frame right now and see where price could go if DXY does break this level. So next resist support level of DXY could be, I'm just going to draw my uptrend line here. So this is the trend line that DXY has been respecting. You can clearly see here that trend line has been respected. So it's been broken below. So next kind of support level could be at this support level here, guys. So this could be the next support level for DXY. This would be the next support level. So if DXY keeps dropping, it could go as low as 92.77. And what that means, if that happens, then that will give actually GP quite a strong boost. And, that will show GP actually going to go rise about 100 pips. If that happens, if DXY plummets all the way back to lows of 92.777, that would make GP, GP rise quite strongly. About we're back to highs of 1.30. So we'll be keeping a closer how DXY really plays about. But again, very strong support level, guys. We do not expect DXY to actually stay this level. We could see DXY by end of hourly, this 1 hour, about an hour and 15 minutes, we could see DXY closing above this resist support level. And if that happens, then that would be a sign that DXY is ready to move upwards, and we could see DXY going as high as 93.30. Next thing, we're gonna quickly look at gold. So let's quickly look at gold, guys. So gold currently, very bullish, to be honest. But again, if I just zoom in, it's reaching a very strong support level, resistance level. Sorry. So every time price reaches this level, for example, 14th of October, price retesting the same resistance level and dropped quite strongly. Then again, 16th of October, price testing the same resistance and dropping quite strongly. Then again on 19th of October, which was just yesterday, price testing the same level and dropping. Even today, price tested this level of resistance and dropped quite strongly all the way back to lows of 1897. So it went as high as 1912 and dropped all the way back to 1987. So again, we can expect some kind of a selling pressure to be expected here. Let's go to short time frame to really see what's happening at this resistance level. So currently at this level, this is some massive bullish momentum, guys. So but price has just broken above this resistance level, but that doesn't mean that it might just go as high as 1970. That could be just a fake breakout, and from here on out we could see price dropping back to lows of 1908. So we're going to be keeping a close eye how this 15-minute candle actually reacts to this resistance level, because if the price closes below this resistance level, we could see gold dropping back to lows of 1908, and even lower, because if this support level holds, breaks, I mean, so you could go even lower back to 1980, 1899. But if this level, if gold keeps going up, guys, so next resistance level that gold could retest is 1917, and if that breaks, guys, then it could rise quite strongly. Then from there on out, there's hardly any kind of sell pressure, guys. So next resistance will be about 1924. So gold could go really strongly upwards, but we can clearly see again, as soon as we were talking about this 15-minute candle, we can see price just came below this resistance level. So as long as price closes below this resistance level, that would be a good sign for us to enter as a sell maybe, and that could be something we can be looking to enter, because it could come as low as 1906, retest this EMA support level, and if that level breaks, then we could see gold dropping back to 1898, guys. So again, that's the outlook for gold, guys. Again, if you have any questions, please do let me know. Again, any other pair you want to see, I can more than happy to help you. Or if you have any other questions about any other about the trade or anything else, we can help you, guys. Yeah, Devanta, we just did a gold for you. Should we close the gold trade at 1904? 1904. Yeah, if it does go as low as 1904, that would be a good time to, of course, close the gold, because it depends what's your entries. If your entry is around 1912, then 1904 would be a very good close, because that would be about 80 pips. You would have caught 80 pips by then. So yeah, but it all depends what your entry was. If your entry wasn't, if your entry is, let's say 1908, then yeah, 1904 still not bad. But if your entry is, let's say 1906, then 1904 just about 20 pips. So it depends what entry is. But if you did enter, if you're gonna enter now, and gold does fall, I would not recommend you to enter the trade right now, because it's very volatile. You have to see how this 15-minute candle actually closes. If it closes below this level, then we might be able to enter as a sell. But for now, you have to wait and see how this candle reacts to this resistance level, to be honest. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining today's Zoom call. Hopefully you had a good session, and we're gonna more calls to come. Thank you.